Just switch your pronouns and refuse to switch them back.
Yeah. All right. I'd like to thank Donny Osmond for that. For not doing it. The verdict they rendered, coddles the misgendered. The Michigan Supreme Court is prohibiting all judges in that state from misgendering anyone who comes before any court. It passed 5-2 with the liberal justices voting for it and the conservatives against it. True, liberal justices just mandated what judges can say, although just saying mandating will soon be outlawed as well. Comes after a 2021 case involving a trans woman who demanded being addressed by they, them pronouns. The state's lower court of appeals finally chose to honor that request. And so this trans madness has gone from the girls' bathroom to the courtroom. But for the perp, this they, them is the perfect legal strategy. If you win, you walk out a free man. But if you lose, you get to go to a woman's prison. It's a win-win, as my stuttering uncle used to say. Are you laughing at my stuttering uncle? He's probably watching right now. No, I'm kidding. He's dead. Took a while. Dagan, this is kind of scary to me because there's no science behind this. This is all based on people demanding things, and the courtroom should be immune to this.
It absolutely should, and I'm surprised that it's happening now because Demi Lovato was kind of the peak of this nonsense.
Yeah.
A few months ago, she said she was going back to using she, her instead of just they, them because it was so exhausting and confusing.
Yes, to everybody.
So can you imagine how cocked up this court system is going to be when the judge is addressing someone and the defendant goes, no, it's them.
Yeah.
And the judge goes, who? It's them.
Yeah, who's
who? It's them.
Yeah.
Who?
Yeah, who did it? So the lawyer will go, so who attacked you? And they did. You mean there was more than one person? No, they. It's like, who's on first? I know our audience will understand that. They were born then. No, it's true. This is so illogical, Casey. This goes against common sense. Michigan never used to be like this.
Well, that actually was one of the points that one of the judges said. They said, oh, well, they'll just have to pay more attention in the footnotes. Footnotes are a thing. Just put it in the footnotes that they is referencing one person and who it is. They can say plaintiff, they can say defendant, so that's a little loophole that you get, a little nugget there. I'm the one in the orange jumpsuit right now, so I don't know. But you know what?
That's true. What work release crew did you escape from?
There was a flood. I just ran away.
Picking up litter today, or?
Yes, the highway flooded. No, what I was going to say was MX. I actually, and maybe I'm just naive or didn't know this, I had to look it up, is Mux. So they, them would be Mux.
Mux?
Mux Gutfeld, not Mr.
Oh, wow.
I didn't know that.
I had no idea.
MX or Mux, which I didn't.
I'm confused now. You've confused me even more. This is terrible, Tom. You know, this is basically a step towards compelling this in everyday life once it's in the courts, right?
Yeah, and it's quite dangerous. But I agree with Dagan. It's almost like you're surprised that this is happening now because most people are starting to wake up and say, okay, this was a little bit silly, we got a little goofy. But there are certain places, like when you go onto a college campus, the professors are still there. They're still acting like this is a thing. So we expect them to be last in line. But this is why I don't trust judges. I mean, I don't, when a decision comes out of the courts, they say, oh, the court decided, oh, wow, the court decided. It's like, they're just people, and a lot of them are stupid.
Watch it.
I mean, a lot of judges are dumb.
Yeah, you're not on the 21st floor with Judge Janine. Easy for you to say.
She's a good one, Greg.
She's a good one. She's all right. Yeah. She's all right. She's a she.
And you know who's good? TV judges. Judge Wapner would never go in for this. He'd be like, I'm not saying that.
Yeah.
He'd be like, he, she, that's it.
Yeah, exactly. He, she. That was something else when I was growing up.
It was.
Pete, you know what this is? This is, people talk about freedom of speech. This is when they compel speech. That's still an attack on freedom of speech. You do have a right not to say things. So if I were in the courtroom and I say, I'm not going to say they, and they compel me to, that's an attack on me.
It is, but this is what they do with big institutions first and high. By the way, all the law students coming out have lived in this nonsense. You know,
Yeah.
Mux Shalud, the judge will see you now. Like they're used to that. Same thing in the military right now.
Yeah.
They're compelling the same because they use institutions that are more hierarchical, like the courts or like the military, where you have free speech rights, but you kind of don't. And so as a result, if you don't comply, there's this nebulous land where you would be charged or you will be pushed out. And then in the meantime, the inmates run the asylum. The privates in the military run the asylum, or in this case, the criminals who can object to the use of the language on them all day long.
This is such an interesting point because the military is based on hierarchy, right?
The entire premise of the military.
And because of this like identity politics stuff, it is completely flipped. And so you have people on the top obeying the people on the bottom.
It's exactly. We don't need to get into the whole military thing, but it's what commanders today say is their biggest problem.
Yeah.
Is they can't maintain the grooming standards of a private. Private, shave. You can't tell me to shave.
Shave, exactly.
You've misgendered me. And now it's the commander that's in trouble or the judge that's in trouble.
Exactly.
And then the whole
this is
system
all
falls
being
apart.
done out of fear. They don't agree. They don't believe in this crap. They're just scared. And what burns me up is you're going to have a male rapist in courts demanding that everybody call him a she. And you have to play that charade.
And it makes a mockery of the whole system.
Exactly.
The whole thing's premised on a lie.
I would pick a sound.
Oh.
Yeah, you can't call me a pronoun. I'm a sound.
Like a
you have to
dolphin
take your
noise.
pants off to make that sound.
Yeah, how far can you go? That's a great point, Dagan. Although I think you took it too far.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.